Greetings, viewers. This is Webmaster's Desktop. Today, we're tackling a critical subject: how to add managers to your Google business profile. Let's dive right in. Ensure you're signed in with a Google account that owns the business profile you aim to share. In your browser, enter business.google.com/locations. Now, you're on the Google Business platform. Find your business name and click See Your Profile. You're now viewing your business listing as regular visitors do. However, there will also be some insights for your eyes only. See that little cluster of dots up in the right corner? Click on those, and a menu will pop up. Choose Business Profile Settings. Next, choose Managers. Finally, it's time to invite someone. Click Add. Enter the recipient's email and confirm their role. Owner or manager? Your decision. Click Invite. Congratulations! You've successfully shared your Google business profile. Your recipient will receive an email invitation. After acceptance, they can assist in profile management. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time.